Hey sis, welcome and welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Susie and we back at it with another one, y'all. This was like, I wanted to make this dress so bad. My client came to me last minute. I usually don't do last minute, but go ahead and subscribe before I get to talking. But yeah, y'all, I usually don't do last minute or whatever, but I really wanted to do this dress. Y'all, this is a returning client. I love returning clients, but y'all, she put this on, like, she looked this so good. It was her birthday. But anyways, y'all, we just cutting out the skirt and I am lining everything up. This is what it should look like. Go ahead and pin the sides and we're going to go ahead and sew. I tried, like, I did the skirt usually like how I do any other skirt, but this one I wanted to add a zipper on the back, and I tried a different technique with the zipper or whatever. But if y'all want a more detailed video on this, then let me know. But it's super simple and I had so much fun creating it. It's very time consuming when you have to do the hand sew, the applique on and stuff like that, but I was just so excited for the final and finishing look, y'all. Like, of course I was nervous because this is not my first applique, but it's like the appliques is like a little challenging, and of course your girl is self-taught, so, but it came out so freaking adorable. I love it. Like, I love everything about it. Like, y'all, she really did her thing with this. Right now I am hemming it up, and like I said, if y'all want a more detailed video, let me know. If y'all got any questions, let me know down below in the comment section. And y'all know I got y'all, and new vlog every Friday. Make sure y'all tune into that as well. Subscribe if you still here. We on the road to 5K. Let's get it. But this is the technique right here, y'all. The new technique that I tried with the zipper. And I didn't record it all because my camera had that, but I definitely got y'all if y'all need a video on how to do the zipper. I tried to do like an invisible zipper, and I love the new technique. Next time it'll be recorded, but yeah. This is what it's looking like. The skirt is finished, but let me know if y'all want a detailed video on that zipper, and I got y'all. Okay, so right there I just went ahead and marked how wide we're going to do the top of the dress. And of course this is just the estimate, and I was cutting these before my client got here so we can try them on when she did get here. And I definitely did a good job. I only had to cut like a little of the bottom off. And right here they left like a little of the mesh, black mesh on the dress, so I'm going in with my hot knife and I am cutting all of that off. And as you can see, I'm doing this, you should do this before, but my client came like before I had time to do it, so I am doing it now. And like I said, it wasn't a lot, so yeah. And right here, when doing appliques, I recommend using as many pins as possible. Like I said, this part is a little time consuming, but I got it done, and I was so excited about the final finishing look. And my client loved it. Another happy client. Make sure y'all subscribe again, because y'all, I am on the road to 5K. Help me out. Let's go. Let's get it. New video every Wednesday. Like this video. Get this video up to 100 likes or more. And yeah, so right here I had went ahead and cut it to where we was gonna put it, and now I am trying to make sure I lined it up. I had some markings that I had did on the skirt, so I can make sure I had it in the right spot from when she tried it on. And now we're just gonna literally sew across this part right here, and we are basically finished. Like, I'm not gonna say it was simple, but it was time consuming. So, but sis, we definitely outdid it with this one. Make sure y'all shop Susie Collection. Make sure y'all follow for more videos like this. I am basically wrapping it up. This is the last and final finishing step right here. And y'all be able to see the final finishing look. But Yo, she definitely put that shit on. I definitely put this shit together. And yeah, it's a masterpiece. Like, get into it. Follow for more videos like this. Like, subscribe, and share this video with a friend. I love you guys. Bye.